Hello everyone, greetings from PayTabs team and welcome to Managing Merchants Dashboard tutorial series. In this series, we are going to take you on a journey to learn and discover the power of our merchant dashboard. Throughout the series, we will walk you through each of the menus and options found on PayTabs merchant dashboard and how you can easily manage it. So, let's get started. In this video, we are going to learn more about the SMS history panel inside PayTab's merchant dashboard. So let's get started. The first thing you should know is once you log into your PayTabs merchant dashboard, you can find the SMS history by navigating to the left menu over here, then clicking on SMS history. Here you will find a history for all the sent SMS from your PayTabs profile, whether you are sending a pay link for one of your customer or let's say an invoice for one of your customers. If you want to check what are the sent invoices or pay links, what is a certain invoice or pay link, whether it's sent to a certain number or not, you can see here the history for all the sent or the recent sent SMS you have sent. So for example, over here you'll find the phone number along with the description, and here the description will contain either the invoice link, the invoice ID, or the pay link ID. So for example, if you came over here to one of your invoices and you sent it via SMS like that, you just click on send by SMS and you fulfilled any customer number and send. You want to make sure that this was sent. You can revert to the SMS history panel over here. You can see that this invoice ID is navigated over here to the certain phone number. Now, let's say if a customer came to you claiming that he did not receive an SMS, so the first thing you should know that you should navigate to the SMS history, grab the phone number of your customer, he gave it to you, and of course if you have a long history like that, you can navigate to the search history, just paste it over here and click on search. You will see the exact date and the details that was sent of it. You can see here that an invoice with this ID was sent to this phone number at this exact date and this exact time. So if you've seen it here, this means it has been successfully sent to him. So the customer should check again his SMS and he should check, for example, his connection, his mobile connection or landline connection, something like that. And if you do not see it over here, so this means it was not sent to your customer, so you need to resend it again, whether you are sending an invoice like that, or for example, you are sending a pay link from here, you want to test that you are sending the pay link correctly by SMS, and once it's sent, you will be able to see it over here inside the SMS history. And for any cases that you don't see the SMS sent over here, this means there's an issue with the SMS company itself. So in that case, you should revert to PayTabs customer care and they will support you in that. Now we can move forward and fulfill this tutorial.